'cause things sure look cloudy tonight. My whole world has tumbled down around me, and there's nothing I can do to make it right. The girl I love just left me for another, though I gave her the best years of my life. I didn't put a ring upon her finger. No, she really didn't want to be my wife. Just a toy that she could come around to. I'd take her in my arms and hold her tight. And the thanks I got for trying to make her happy was the way that she broke my heart tonight. She's gone now and I'll try to forget her. I know it's easy said but hard to do. A girl like her was born to have her freedom. She could never settle down and be true. I hope you'll be ready when the clouds come and cover up the love you'll try to give. 'Cause she'll walk out and leave him for another. It's just the way some girls are born to live. Yeah, I surely bet it's gonna rain tomorrow, 'cause things sure look cloudy tonight. My whole world is tumbled down around me, and there's nothing I can do to make it right. No, there's nothing I can do to make it right.